I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. Some of this video is going to have voiceover because not all of my audio recorded. I initially purchased one of these BOMKI utensil sets for my nephew for college and liked it so much I purchased another for myself. This is my existing utensil set, which has served me well, but it was time for an upgrade. The zippers are very durable with pull tabs. You can feel the quality of them. These are D-rings that come with a strap to wear as a crossbody bag, and it also has an extra zipper on the outside. It is a little difficult to get into, but you could possibly put some recipe cards in there. Opening this bag, you can feel that the zippers are quality and each utensil item has its own pouch. The case is double layered with a hard shell interior and a high quality rugged polyester material on the outside that is BPA free, odor free, and washable. The set includes spatula, fork, and serving spoons, as well as tongs. What I like about these tongs is that they are compact. They have the lock open and close, as well as some stands so you do not get your workspace dirty. This is a chef knife, and then there is also a paring knife. All utensils in this set are stainless steel and dishwasher safe. One thing I would really like these kits to have is also a serrated knife. Do away with the paring knife and replace it with a serrated knife. This is the cutting board in the kit and is compared to my existing cutting board. What I do like about my existing board is that it has grooves to catch any liquid, as well as a rubber silicone base to prevent any slipping. What I do like about the BOMKI cutting board though is that it is quite large. This is the corkscrew bottle opener combo. And one thing to be aware of is that the knife is very sharp. It has a spring closure, and if you're not careful like me, you will snag your thumb, so be aware of that. There are two plastic seasoning or salt and pepper shakers, along with scissors, a heat-resistant glove, and microfiber towel. To test this kit, I'm going to make one of my favorite breakfast meals, also can be eaten for dinner. It's Spam, eggs, and rice. Put water in, steam the yolk. That is how my grandma did it, and that is how I do it. Let's try some Spam. Spam, man. So good. Is it better than bacon? Anybody out there like Spam? I don't know. Bacon is delicious. Okay, we're almost done with that yolk. I would give the BOMKI a 4 out of 5 because they don't have a serrated knife, but I don't think a lot of these outdoor utensil kits do. And I wish this was silicone, just because when I am using my Dash 8-inch griddle, I use it for tortilla or pancakes, and I can just easily flip things with this, and I don't want it to scratch. And then the no serrated knife. So those are the reasons that I give it 4 out of 5. But overall, it feels like it's very good quality. And my yolk is probably overcooked. Turn that off. Move that out of the way. But I like it and I'm excited to use it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, this review. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. And provide any suggestions of what you would like to see in the future if you've tried eggs, spam, and rice. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. So good. Hornet, go away. Go away. Let's do both. Oh my goodness. I think I will finish this up in the car. Yeah. It is delicious. Delicious. I don't want to eat a hornet. Okay, I'm going now. Bye.